Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If it is your first time here, my name is Naledi Swaratlhe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to yet another video. In today's video is a hair install. I did a hair install for you guys. The hair is honestly giving Beyonce. It's giving everything it's meant to give. It's giving everything plus more. You know what I mean? Like, oh, I really love the hair. I love the texture. I love the color. I loved working with this hair. This wig is a 13x4 lace wig, 150% density, and it is 20 inches as you guys can see. So it's not like too long, but it's like the right length. And I also like that it's 150 density because I'm not a big fan of thick hair unless if I need to curl it or I want like waves, you know, like loose curls, not waves or curls. Unless if I want like loose curls, then I can go for like 180 density, but I love that this one is 150% density. It's just perfect. Like, I really enjoyed working with it. All the products that I used are mentioned in the video, but I'll also list them in the description box below. Then I'll also leave the link to the hair as well as the hair company in the description box for you guys to purchase if you are interested. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. But before we do, please guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. But most importantly, subscribe to my channel because we're on the road to 2,000 subscribers and I'm super excited. Yeah, and I cannot wait. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a cotton pad as well as this Hydro Boost hyaluronic acid makeup remover. Sorry, why did I say hyaluronic acid? I'm gonna go in with this Neutrogena Hydro Boost micellar water. So it's just going to remove the makeup like on top where the glue is gonna go, just a little bit, because it's like a bit oily and the lace glue might not work, or the lace might not actually stick. Then you're also gonna need a stocking cap. So the wig that I'm gonna be working with is this beautiful honey blonde wig. As you guys can see it, it is a 13x4 lace wig, and it is 150 density, 20 inches. As you guys can see, it's so beautiful. I am in love with the texture. That's the first thing I was in love with when I touched this wig. And inside it's got like 2 combs in the front, like there. It has a comb there and a comb there. And then it also has a comb at the back if you might need to, you know, use it for attachment. I hardly use the combs, to be honest. And then it also has a band, an elastic band, just for, you know, stability, and also to make sure that the hair is nicely stable. It's put stable. Okay, old. So I'm gonna go and place it in or wear it. So the lace has already been cut because it's been worn before. Because the knots of this wig are actually not bleached, I'm just going to tint the lace in front. And just go in with this foundation like that, just so that it looks like my skin. So the lace wig is on, and I'm just gonna move it a little bit back so that I can place the glue. And I think I can advise you to work first in sections, but honestly I'm just gonna go like just once off. And I'm going to use this Got To Be glue. This is the water resistant spiking glue for Screaming Hold. It does hold hair really well. But obviously if you want to use like Ghost Bond glue, then you can go for it. But personally I like this one. You can also get it at Discount, Take a Lot. There's also the other Got To Be glue. I think it's the black one. I just forgot the name. And I'm just gonna place the glue here in front. And then I'm going to go in and place this on cool setting. Okay, it feels tacky. So then now I'm just going to pull the lace towards the glue like that, and it fits perfectly. So now I'm just gonna lay the wig. Okay, while the wig is laying, I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten the hair. So this side is kind of straight and this side is still frizzy, so it's giving very much Beyonce. And then I'm just gonna wait about 10 minutes for the wig to lay. I suggest using like a silk scarf or like a cotton scarf or something that can basically hold the hair very tight, you know, not something that's way too loose. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I come back. Okay guys, now I'm gonna take it off. Okay you guys, so the hair is straightened and it looks so beautiful. I'm gonna step back so you guys can see the length of the hair. It's so pretty. Like, this is the length and that's how long it is. So the final step to finish off is just to put some hair mousse as well as serum. So I'm going to use the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Serum. I think I've been using this one for a long time. I love that it helps to tame like flyaways, especially at the top, and it also makes your hair smell so nice. Like, it smells so good. Oh, I love this hair. Like, I love the texture. I just love everything about it. And then I'm going to use Hair Mousse by Kair. This is the Firm Hold Styling Mousse from Expert Care, and it looks like this. So then I'm just going to spray it onto my hand and then put it at the top. It's just gonna help the hair like stay in place and prevent any, like, it just gives the hair that firm hold, especially at the top where you just don't want any flyaways. But I don't like using it excessively because it then gives the hair this wet look that I don't really like. So just enough, and that's it. Like, it looks so good. And then I'm gonna use my foundation from Revlon, and I'm just gonna put it a little bit in the front of the hair there, just so that it looks like my skin or like my foundation shade, and make it blend out. Okay, and it looks good. I love the hair. Okay, you guys, and that brings me to the end of the video. This is the full install. It's giving very much Beyonce. It's giving very much who is this girl? Like, I love the change. As most of you guys that's been on my channel know, I always gravitate towards black wigs, so I love this honey blonde wig. Like, it's giving so much of everything that it's meant to give. You know what I mean? Like, it's so pretty. Anyway, but I hope you guys enjoyed the install. I will leave the link of the hair down in the description box below if you want to purchase it, and also I'll leave the specs of the hair, exactly what it is, as well as the company's link in the description box below. But otherwise, I'm very, very happy with this install. I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed the color as well. Like, I'm really so obsessed. I'm literally looking at myself in the lens instead of in the reflection instead of the lens of the camera, because wow, like, it is giving everything it's meant to give. I wish it could all fit into the frame, but that's how long it is, as you can see. And I also wish you guys could feel the texture of the hair. Like, it's so smooth. I've never in my life felt hair this smooth, but I really enjoyed doing this install. If you guys want to see more installs from me, do let me know, but I'll definitely keep them coming because I really enjoy doing this for you guys. And yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.